Man. Got this damn cough, won't go away. I'm taking medicine. And I'll tell you what, it's just because I had a dream. I had this this weird dream that I was hunting ducks, and I'm killing the ducks like crazy, and I got about 20 ducks. And then out of nowhere, this giant duck appears in my dream. I said, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm killing ducks." And the giant duck said, "You're gonna have to pay for killing all my family." And I was like, "What are you gonna do about it?" And the giant duck said, "You're gonna suck my dick." And I said, "What?" And ever since I've had this cough. Uh, uh, you listen to me like right now.
Okay.